What's up everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will do a 2.5 year update on Quikrete Advanced Polymer Concrete Crack Sealant versus Quikrete Acrylic Concrete Repair. 2.5 years ago, I made a review video comparing them. I laid a bead of each one next to each other to inspect. I applied them side by side on a vertical surface crack, and I applied them on horizontal surface cracks with 1 year results. I recommend watching that video first. And these have been outdoors for 2.5 years. Let's take a look and see how they've held up. Looking at the beads, this is the acrylic, and this is the advanced polymer. The appearance of the acrylic is a darker gray and dirty. The blue specks are no longer visible. It's solid and hard to the touch, pretty much just like it was 2.5 years ago. Moving to the advanced polymer, it's no longer shiny. It also looks darker and dirty. When pressing on it, it has some flexibility, but it returns to its normal shape. This is also pretty much just like it was 2.5 years ago. Next, let's revisit the vertical crack. The top half is the acrylic, and the bottom half is the advanced polymer. Looking at the acrylic, it has split, and there is an exposed crack along the entire length. It was not like that when it was applied 2.5 years ago. Looking at the advanced polymer, it is held up, and the crack is still completely sealed. The very thin layer on the outsides has turned white. Last, let's look at the horizontal application. In the previous video, at the 1 year results, the acrylic had cracked and separated, and there were plants growing through it in several places. The acrylic just didn't hold up in my opinion. The advanced polymer didn't have those issues. So, in the previous video, where this half was acrylic and this half was advanced polymer, I replaced all the acrylic with advanced polymer, and look, after 2.5 years, there's no plants growing through. The advanced polymer is superior, but it's not invincible, and it doesn't last forever. Although it has held up and done a good job, it's showing its age. And like the vertical crack, it is turning white on the surface. I will be reapplying it soon. In the original video, the advanced polymer was my choice for several reasons. In this 2.5 year update, the advanced polymer is still my choice. The acrylic failed, and the advanced polymer is still holding up. I hope you found this helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.